Welcome to the urban heartbeat of Daniel Island, South Carolina. While most people think of the island as a quiet marshland retreat, you're looking at the engine room. We're hovering right alongside I-526, the lifeline that connects this island paradise to the rest of the Lowcountry. Focus on Central Island Square. Well, this is high-end island living at its peak, literally the first thing you see when you arrive. It's the anchor of this district, where luxury apartments meet a walkable lifestyle. From here, everything you need is just a few steps or a quick bike ride away. Now, look toward that massive spire of steam and hops. That's New Realm Brewing Company. It's the island's favorite backyard, complete with a massive outdoor space that's usually filled with dogs, kids, and people enjoying a local craft pour. And right next door, the crown jewel, Credit One Stadium. This is the Coliseum of the Lowcountry. Whether it's the world's best tennis players hitting the clay or a stadium-sized rock concert under the stars, this is where the island truly comes alive. Speaking of the essentials, we've got the local holy trinity of convenience and cravings right here. There's Publix, arguably the most social spot on the island, where a quick trip for milk inevitably turns into a 30-minute chat with 3 neighbors. When the sun starts to set, the energy shifts to the patios. You've got the vibrant colors of Agaves Cantina serving up the best margaritas on the island, and Heavy's Barburger, where the atmosphere is as thick and satisfying as the patties. Just a stone's throw away, you'll see the sleek architecture of Blackbaud. This isn't just an office building. It's the headquarters of a global tech giant that's been the cornerstone of the island's economy for years. And if you look closer to the street level, you'll spot Cooper River Cycles. They're the ones keeping this town on 2 wheels. On Daniel Island, a bicycle isn't just for exercise. It's a legitimate primary vehicle for getting to the grocery store or the pub. While everything we've seen looks brand new, mostly because 90% of the homes here were built after 1999. This land has been a hub of activity for over 5,000 years. Long before the first pickleball court was paved, the Etowah tribe lived along these marshes, taking advantage of the same river breezes and abundant fishing we enjoy today. Archaeologists have even found pottery shards here that are among the oldest ever discovered in North America. It's hard to imagine now, but for most of the 20th century, your neighbors wouldn't have been tech executives. They would have been Hereford cattle. In 1947, the legendary Guggenheim family bought these 4,000 acres to use as a private hunting retreat and a massive cattle ranch. As the drone completes its sweep over this bustling corridor, it's easy to see the appeal. It's a place where you can work at a tech giant, grab a burger, pick up your groceries, and catch a pro tennis match, all within the shadow of the 526. It might be just a small slice of the island, but it's definitely the part with the most flavor.